Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Quick question for you. Are you an owner of an Audi or VW and you're hearing a very loud clacking noise which is actually louder than the running of your engine? Sounds exactly like this. So you've probably been hearing this noise clacking away louder than your engine. You've probably been really worried about it, going, what's wrong with my car? Is it going to blow up? But don't worry, if you kind of listen to where it's coming from, you should hear that it's coming right from the back here. Often there's a little cover on the back of the engines, as we have on this Audi Q7 right here, and you should find that the noise is coming from right under there. And underneath there, what we're going to find is our culprit. So what's going to be making this clacking noise is this little unit right here. This is the fuel vapor vacuum purge valve right here, and you'll see you can what you can do is you can manipulate this by hand and it will actually change the sound. So if you kind of put some pressure on this hose, it will change this noise completely. So that's a very easy way to identify it's definitely this unit making the noise in your car. So let's have a look at that next. So unfortunately this is a very common problem. You'll notice that it doesn't do it permanently. It will do it kind of on and off. It will do it for a few minutes and then stop for a few minutes as it's cycling through what it needs to do. So this is what the actual unit looks like right here. This is the replacement unit. Well, actually this is the original one. You see it kind of fits on just there. This is the original one from this car and this one is the replacement, and both of these are making exactly the same noise. If you go online and have a search through the various Audi and VW forums all over the world, you'll see literally hundreds of people reporting this exact same clacking noise, and all related to this this little fuel purge valve sat at the back. So it's a very common issue, and unfortunately it's one that Audi or VW will consider as normal. As annoying as that sound is, unfortunately there's very little you can do to actually resolve it. You can try and replace the valve like we have in this instance, but the noise came back immediately, so it's unlikely that you'll actually be able to solve it in that way. And we haven't seen yet any kind of updated valves or anything like that, so unfortunately it's going to be a noise that you're likely going to be stuck with. So there is the part number for the valve, so if you do want to have a go at replacing it, that's the part number you need to look for. And if you are going to replace this this little assembly, what you'll find here is you've got two little clips that squeeze and they release the two little clips here that will allow you to pull this off. And on the rear here, all you've got is a little small electrical connector, and then a little vacuum line just there, and you can see that just has a little hose clip just on the rear of it there. So you remove that hose clip, move that back, and then you can pop that hose off. There's a little electrical connector hidden down at the back there that needs to be removed from there, and then this can be removed in that way. But like I say, unfortunately it's unlikely to resolve your issue, but if you want to have a go, that's the way to do it. So there we have it guys. If this video has been helpful for you, can we ask a favour in return? As we always do, please hit that like button, it really does help us, and if you could hit that subscribe button, that really does help out our channel. Thanks for watching. We have hundreds more Audi and VW instructional videos available on our YouTube channel or on our website totaltechnik.com, so please be sure to check those out as well. Thanks for watching guys, see you again.